Namaste everyone. A major planetary moment is about to shift the cosmic energy. Jupiter, the planet of wisdom, dharma, prosperity, and divine guidance, is going to transit into its exalted sign, that is a Cancer sign, on 18th of October 2025. Yes, Jupiter will move into Cancer in Purnavasu Nakshatra, bringing healing, emotional intelligence, and renewal in our lives. But here is the twist. On 5th of December 2025, Jupiter will retrograde back into the Gemini sign. And then on 2nd June 2026, Jupiter will re-enter Cancer sign to complete the unfinished lessons to give us the wisdom we were meant to gain. Now, let's see what this means for each Lagna or ascendant. So listen carefully to your rising signs. For Aries or Mesh Lagna, Jupiter will move into your 4th house, bringing healing to your home, family life, and emotional well-being. A great time for buying property, upgrading your living space, or finding inner peace. Your connection with your mother or maternal figure may strengthen and emotional support surrounds you. For Taurus or Vrishab Lagna, with Jupiter in your 3rd house, communication, courage, and creativity are highlighted. You may reconnect with your siblings, start writing, speaking, or learn something new. So this is the time to use your voice, tell your story, and trust your inner confidence. For Gemini or Mithun Lagna, Jupiter blesses your 2nd house, bringing financial growth, family harmony, and wisdom in your speech. So you are going to expect support from your family and potential gains through your savings, food, or speaking roles. It is mainly a great time to strengthen your values and speak with purpose. For Cancer or Kark Lagna, a powerful year for you. Jupiter is going in your 1st house, will definitely blessing you with confidence, clarity, and new beginnings. You will feel uplifted, more optimistic, and ready for personal growth. A fantastic time to start something new, heal old wounds, and step into your power. For Leo or Singh Lagna, Jupiter is going into your 12th house. Will definitely bring spiritual growth, foreign connections, and inner healing. You will feel drawn to meditation, therapy, or travel. Let go of the past and make space for peace. It's a sacred time for releasing, forgiving, and realigning with your soul. For Virgo or Kanya Lagna, Jupiter is going into your 11th house. Will definitely support your income, growth, long-term goals, and new social connections. Your hard work starts paying off, especially through your network, friends, and online presence. It's time to dream bigger, collaborate, and claim your rewards. For Libra or Tula Lagna, Jupiter lights up your 10th house, a major boost to your career, public image, and leaderships. Opportunity for recognition, promotion, or stepping into your true purpose will arise. Use this time to lead with integrity and shine professionally. For Scorpio or Vrishik Lagna, Jupiter will enter your 9th house, bringing blessings in education, travel, and spiritual growth. You may meet a mentor, start studying something meaningful, or feel drawn to the spiritual path. It's time to trust divine timing and say yes to new adventures. For Sagittarius or Dhanu Lagna, Jupiter is going into your 8th house, bringing deep transformation, healing, and inner power. You may work on joint finances, inheritance, or go through emotional shifts. It is mainly a great time for therapy, shadow work, and embracing your hidden strengths. For Capricorn or Makar Lagna, Jupiter blesses your 7th house, mainly supporting your relationships, partnerships, and contracts. So this is mainly a very beautiful time to attract a soulmate or deepen an existing bond. Business alliances may flourish too. So you need to choose people who mainly aligns with your values. For Aquarius or Kumbh Lagna, Jupiter will move into your 6th house, which is definitely going to improve your health, routine, and work discipline. Victory over challenges will come through consistency and service. Organize your life, improve habits, and build something sustainable. For Pisces or main Lagna, Jupiter will move into the fifth house, which will definitely bring love, joy, creativity, and connections with children or your inner child. It is mainly a very wonderful time to fall in love, start a creative project, or feel more spiritually connected. Let your heart lead. This is mainly a time to get inspiration and grace. Jupiter in Cancer from 18th of October 2025 to June 2026 is going to bring healing, wisdom, and emotional alignment. Wherever Cancer falls in your birth chart, that area of life will expand and soften. And you have to always remember that Jupiter doesn't bring luck. It brings growth through grace. If you want a full deep dive into your ascendant or moon sign, leave a comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And next episode will be uploaded on retrograde Saturn for all the 12 houses in the Kundli. Until then, Namaste.